fight that all boxing fans have been waiting for is about to happen. The fight between two undefeated, two monsters in the said field and division. Both come from the same country, the nickname Big Bang and current 3-division champion, JUNTO NAKATANI, and the 4-division champion and 2-division undisputed champion, alias the monster NAOYA INOUE, who both come from wet Japan. Whose card will be the first to be tarnished, and in what way will the dispute over who is better and stronger end, via decision or via knockout? Who do you think will win? Comment your opinion and we will read it. But before the so-called fight of the year begins, let's first watch some of the knockout highlights of their boxing careers and take a look at who really has a better chance of winning them.
Moving around, trying to clear his head right now.
Doubles up the uppercut, and then goes with a knockdown, scored with a right uppercut. Oh! A straight left hand! When he gets there, it'll do the job. She's just out of position, and eating uppercut is the last thing you want to get hit with. And right down the middle. Another one comes behind, time trouble. Nakatani pouring it on, and that is it.
Anyway, early on, Rodriguez took it. It's almost a macho battle in these first 30. Anyway, and I think got it on the judges' cards. A fearsome flurry, and he's down. He's got him with a left. He's ready to go again, is Rodriguez. Here comes Inoue. Oh, he's got it to the body. Oh, this is unbelievable for Inoue. Third time he's gone down to the core. Another count. It's over. The mini Mike Tyson.
Ooh, wow, it hurt. Nice shot. That one hurt. That delayed reaction drop. Will JUNTO NAKATANI be able to finish?
That body shot. Yeah. That hurt. Yeah, that hurt.
Looking for the finish here in round 12. Cortez holding on for life.
まあ一番打ちやすい距離なんですね。
この距離では中谷強い。もつリックを返した。左フックを返した。一気にいきます。18戦目。アッパー。左アップ。
望月右目がもう下がりかけてますよね。
はい。長打をやめない中谷左右。
まあここで手が止まる。
レベリー止めた。
To deliver the body. Inoue did a great job of blocking. Now he goes downstairs and comes back up. Waiting, and he launches again. Just a little bit. And when you get hit with heavy shots to the head and the body, Inoue, it seemed to me,
And really looked devastating. Make some water cooler buzz the next, on Monday at work.
walking him down, gets him into position here. Inoue has him ready to go to the body. Yep, there it is. And the others looked at him like, wait a minute, you're allowed to.
So he's keeping that right hand glued to his side right there.
Another left to the body. And he has made the decision.
左はね、本当強いですよね。遠い距離からね、本当打ってますよね。
はい。ここでフィリピン国内アンカー、あっという間に中谷が倒しました。全くの公平。冷静さあ、ボディーが左。具志堅さん、これも両者強く出てますね。そうですね。はい。すごい戦いになりました。日本。
上げていこうというその指示です。
はい。そうですね。クラブさん。そして左のボディさらにいけあちょっとこれは
谷潤との戦いを移してボクシングを続け、だから右のジャブで距離、ボディー、左から右と、さあ一気にまとめていく、左浜田さん、ボディ顔面どこもありますね、一気に手数を背負わせている、左から右、右から左、こ
の距離ならね、メリンダに手を出せる距離なんですけど、
右レンジからロングレンジ、ここもあとメリンダの右、左右、あっとこれは
1ラウンドはね、はい、ただいけると分かれば左の上の親、まだ第1ラウンドですが、どう感じて集中力が、もう左、うわ、ものすごい力強い、まだカメラも立ち上がることができた。That's a big Katani has his timing down already. Oh, there's a right hand that wobbles him. He landed it right on the temple. Nakatani digging to the body here, and this is the distance that really favors a couple. Weather that storm. You don't know how bad that nose is. The blood that Acosta's swallowing here in the heat in Tucson, Arizona. That's worrisome. And the punches from boy, he is. He knows how to maintain range, his distance, throws combinations. It's over. Starting with his jab. Yep, it is over. It's just a lovely left hook there. We've seen so many knockouts, 16 KOs in the 4 years of his career. So Inoue lands that for a decade now as well. Lovely left hook. And both of the men in the final room, just as we say, the right hand lands, and it's staggered. First 4 rounds of drum. Misses now, Inoue's round. Oh, again! He hurt Donaire there, and he did. On the inside, Donaire goes a little flat-footed for the first time in a while. Variations, head, body, the brand. This is the home crowd now, really get behind him. And a lovely left to the body. の上なんですが、4位の上のことをとにかくすごい。右だ！この脅かしたり。左ジャブから右ボディ。あっとボディが効いた。多彩ですね。そうですね。ジョージの内訳も素晴らしいですね。อันนี้เอาว่าโอ้แต่ละตัวแม่จุกเลยนะ圧倒しています井上尚弥続けていこうという声が飛んでいました。はい。そしてまた前にはコールが泣いていた。
The feeling, Team Nakatani is not surprised at all by the way this